Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are comparing two well-known email marketing platforms, AWeber and GetResponse. Both offer powerful features to help you grow your business. But which one is perfect for you? Let's try to find out. Let's talk about AWeber first. AWeber is one of the oldest email marketing platform and it has been trusted by businesses over 20 years. It's designed to help you easily create and manage email campaign, autoresponder, and newsletters. Some of AWeber's standout features include drag and drop email builder, email automation, sign up form, list segmentation, and detailed analytics. AWeber is great for businesses who are looking for a simple to use email marketing tool that helps with automation and customer communication without being overwhelming. So now let's talk about GetResponse. GetResponse is more comprehensive. It offers not just email marketing but also sales funnel, webinars, and CRM integration. It's perfect for businesses that want to go beyond just email and automate more aspect of their marketing. GetResponse comes with advanced email automation, landing pages, A/B testing, CRM, webinars, and sales funnel creation. If you are looking for an all-in-one marketing solution to run campaign, manage leads, to grow your business, GetResponse offers a wider variety of tools. AWeber is great for businesses that want a simple, effective email marketing solution with a focus on automation, email list management, and easy-to-use templates. It's perfect for small to medium-sized businesses that want to focus on email campaign and customer engagement. On the other side, GetResponse provides a more feature-rich platform with tools like webinars, sales funnel, and CRM integration. If you need a multi-channel marketing solution to create and track campaign across email funnel and webinars, GetResponse is way better. Now let's talk about pricing. When it comes to price, AWeber starts at a lower price point with a free plan also. AWeber starts at a lower price point and it has a free plan available up to 500 subscribers. Its paid plans are also fairly affordable, so which make it a solid choice for small businesses that are just getting started. Other side, GetResponse doesn't offer any free plan, but it has a 30 days free trial. Its pricing starts slightly higher than AWeber, especially for its more advanced feature like AWebinar and CRM. It's better fit for businesses that need more robust marketing tools beyond just email campaign. So which one should you choose if you are looking for budget-friendly email marketing solution with great automation feature? AWeber might be the right option for you. It's perfect if you want to focus mainly on email campaigns and list management without extra complexity. However, if you want more all-in-one solution with webinars, sales funnel, and CRM integration, GetResponse is better choice. It's ideal for businesses that want to scale their marketing efforts and integrate multiple marketing tools into one platform. Both AWeber and GetResponse offer great value, but the best one for you depends on your business needs. Let me know which platform you prefer, or if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful content. I will see you in the next video.